Okay, now I will show you how to create company and then create branch under that company. Okay, so for creating the company and branch, you need to use Organization Applet. Okay, so this are the Organization Applet. So you open it, then after you open, you can see list of menus here. So first one that you need to use is the company. So this company is for you to create the company itself. So here you need to put the name, the code. Okay, and then you need to put the company name. Then of course the registration number. Then company incorporation date. This is also compulsory. And if you have tax ID, SSD ID, everything, then the phone number and currency. Okay. So email also you can put if you have. After that, you need to set the chart of account, that which chart of account that you need to use. Then next part is you need to go to address. So in the address, you need to put the company address. Okay. Then after you update the address, then you can see the save button here. Okay. Then after that, you save. So that's all for the company creation. After you create the company, you can click in. Then you can see other tab here, like e-Invoice tab. If you want to enable or anything, you can just enable it. The address you also can see. If you are already linked with the branch, you can see the list of branch and location, everything. Okay. Then here is for you to do the knockoff configuration, like from purchase order to purchase invoice or purchase order to purchase GRN, how you want to convert the documents to each other. So this is the part that for you to do the thing. So after you create the company, then next step is you directly go to branch. In the branch you create, then okay. So here is create default location or choose from existing location. Okay, let's say you already manually created the location first, then you choose from existing location. Say if you didn't create the location, you would like system to auto create the location for you for this branch, then you create default location. Okay, so here you put the branch code. Okay, I use same name as the company. Then you need to select the company. Okay, this is the one that I created just now. Then the company registration will be follow the company itself. You need to put the branch commencement date. Then if you have any this kind of details, you can update. Then next part is for you to add the address again. Okay. Then after that, you can see the save button. Then you create. After you create, you can go to location. So in the location, you can see this default location already created automatically and then attached to the branch. So you can click into the branch again. You can see the address and other tabs. And if you go back to the company and you click in, okay, in the branch listing, you can see this branch. in the location here, you can see the location itself also. So you can see this one is SIT, which is stock in transit. This one usually the system will auto created once you create the company. Okay. So this is how you can set you can create the branch and then you can create the company. Okay, so that's all for creating the branch and location.